Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY WH-CH510 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first open settings and then go to connected devices. Here scroll down to connect preferences, tap on Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth. After some time, for example 10-15 seconds, enable Bluetooth back. Then check if you are able to connect to your headphones. If you are still not able to connect, you have to do a soft reset of your headphones. To do so, just power them off and power them on with this button over here. If it doesn't help you, you have to do a hard reset of your headphones. Check our channel to check how to do it. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye!